Look at this. We're back on the river again.
This one's going back.
Cliff is hooked up.
That doesn't look like a hump. It is.
The steelhead.
Yeah. He's lively. Come on, buddy. On the bank.
You want to go down there, Grace?
King, dude.
Really?
Yeah. Hold on, buddy, hold on. I'll get you out of here. Hold on. Oh, don't do that to me.
You nose planted him in the mud, dude.
Don't do that to me.
Oh, go ahead, grab him. Grab him, just revive him, revive him. Revive him, save him, hurry.
I'm trying, Doug.
Grab his tail.
There you go.
After you get over there. Just needed to get an adrenaline.